Welcome to the Vocal Lab Los Angeles Canadian edition.
This is definitely the Canadian edition. I like it.
This is my good friend, tour mate. We go.
What other things do you want to say about me?
There's so many things I could say right now. Kevin Pauls, one of Canada's finest.
How are you?
Kevin and I. I'm great, man. It's good to.
This is nice to do the LA version in Calgary.
Yeah, it's crazy, right?
While we're on tour, this is kind of fun.
Yeah.
I'm loving this.
Kevin and I are on a Christmas tour right now. Kevin and I actually met. About 6 years ago or so? Seven years ago. I was in a group called Tenore. We were 3 tenors, as many of you know, and we had hired Kevin at the time to do performance coaching for us, because Kevin is a very well-known performance coach across Canada, North America, parts of the world, and but primarily an artist in his own right, amazing singer, artist, well-connected, well-traveled, well-versed in all those things, but has a really unique gift in coaching artists as well. Which, again, in my chair, being a performer and a singer, the ability to also coach and help you guys in your vocals, I thought it'd be really cool while we're on this Christmas tour, if you and I sat here for a minute and you had some nuggets of wisdom for everyone out there in performance.
I think the interesting thing is, so much of what you do vocally and I do from a performance perspective has the same roots. I think the first thing I tell a lot of artists, vulnerability is huge.
Same here.
And if we are tied up in ourselves, if we are afraid to let people know the real us, it's going to affect your vocals and it's going to affect your performance. But I do have one thing that I tell most artists. They say, what's one thing? If you can just give me 5 minutes, what would you tell me about my performance that would make a difference? And I think there's really a couple of pieces that I would do, but the number one thing I go back to is strip away all of your talking. Have the song, and we can go in orders, and there's so much other stuff we can get into.
Of course,
but you strip everything back to no talking, and then try to sit back and answer this question: what do I want to tell people? Often, I think nerves kick in.
Yep, for sure.
Lack of preparation kicks in.
Of course.
But we become amateurs in between the songs. So we can be pros. We can work really hard on our vocals. We can work really hard on our musicianship, and everything sounds great. The song ends, and we become an amateur. So find the spots within your show to do 2 things. Number 1, remove the ands, the ums, the I don't know what's going on next.
Yeah, those little quirky things that show your nervousness, right?
And then you go, oh, you're not prepared. So remove that. But then second, think about, what do we want to say? What do we want? And find 1, maybe 2 moments where you can expand. Let those moments tell the story rather than the ands, the ums, and the introduction. I know this from... I've been in gospel music for a long, long time, and we tend to feel like we need to theorize about what the next song is.
Sure.
And so we have to tell everybody, if the song's that bad and you need to tell me, get another song.
Right.
So strip back all of that ands, ums, figure out, what do I want to tell somebody? And what you'll find is the show might go a little quicker because you're going song, then song, then song. Pick your moments and interact with the audience and say, this is who I am, this is what I want to say. You'll find that the songs come alive, because now you're telling the story through the song rather than trying to tell it ahead of time, and you'll start looking a little bit more like a pro.
That's amazing. I have, honestly, in all my time in performing and touring and coaching, I've never heard it said that way. Or actually, what you said, I know and I have thought in a way,
true.
But put into words like that to help all you guys, that was brilliant.
Thank you.
Yeah. Check out his music, Kevin Pauls. We'll have his info up.
Click wherever that is.
Click wherever. If you're looking for an amazing performance coach, reach out to him. He can definitely fly in or Skype in and help you guys with what you're doing to prepare your live show. Because let's be honest, I believe, and I know you agree with this too, the song always comes down to the vocal. It has to.
Totally.
You have to have a great song, a great voice, but you also have to be able to perform live and sell it.
Totally.
To build your fan base. Yeah. I hope this pro tip has helped you guys. Kevin, thanks for doing this with
me. My pleasure.
Man.
This has been great.
Yeah, from the Vocal Lab Los Angeles, Jason Catron with my great friend Kevin Pauls. We'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching that last video. Do me a favor now, click right here and subscribe.